Imagine skipping Atlanta's notorious traffic by hopping in an air taxi and flying straight to Midtown from Hartsfield-Jackson. It could happen sooner than you think. Georgia is working to build the regulatory and business foundation for what federal officials call the first new category of aircraft in nearly 80 years. State senators are preparing to consider legislation that will pave the way for the creation of vertiports at airports across Georgia, where air taxis could take off and land. State Representative Todd Jones, the bill's sponsor, recently said in a TV interview that Georgia could have a network of vertiports in the next 3 to 5 years. These air taxis, called EVTOLs, take off and land like helicopters, but fly horizontally like planes, typically at lower altitudes. Supporters say eVTOLs are cleaner, quieter than helicopters, and perfect for avoiding traffic, offering a quicker way to travel. Under the proposed legislation, vertiports could be classified as general aviation facilities, opening the door for federal funding. Each vertiport would be about 42,000 square feet, with up to 4 landing pads, including one for maintenance. These eVTOLs could also be used for cargo, medical transport, and even recreation in less congested areas, according to a study by GDOT. 2024 saw major announcements from companies building eVTOLs, including air taxi partnerships with major airlines like Delta, United, and Southwest. Archer Aviation, based in Covington, announced plans with Southwest to launch air taxi services in Los Angeles for the 2028 Olympics. Delta and Joby Aviation are also working to offer zero-emission, short-range air travel in cities like Los Angeles and New York, pending government approvals. However, the airspace will soon be crowded with drones and commercial aircraft, raising questions about the safety of adding eVTOLs to the mix. Despite potential challenges, Jones remains confident that Georgia should move forward, even as federal officials may adjust the vertiport definition. The Georgia State Senate could hear this bill next week. This could be the first step toward bringing air taxis to Georgia. With a little help from legislation, Georgia might soon be ready for the sky-high future of air taxis. Stay tuned for more updates on Peach State Tech.